Hi everyone, this is a demo video to show you how you can use this AutoGraph module. So once you've installed the AutoGraph module, you will see it on the ribbon itself. Right, so let's run through the options one by one. So how do we get started with this? We just have to select all our data that we want to plot and click on Create Graph. This diagram will appear, and you can actually type in your values here. So our minimum value for X is 0, our maximum is 60, so maybe I want to put intervals of 10, and the max value will be shown here. So what you can do is just immediately put 6 here to show that the maximum value is 60. Of course, you still can put 7 over here, and they will plot 7 squares in the x-axis. In terms of the y-axis, I've cheated a little. I put these values here so that it's easier for me. You have to do some calculations on your own. So y minimum is 0, intervals will be 0.005, and the number of squares will be 10. So you can click on submit, and it will generate this graph over here. So what you can do with this graph is you can plot the graph itself by adding a trend line, right, by adding exponential, right. So you can play around with the other trend lines. This is quite standard. So once we have this graph here, right, for example, if this is a kinetics graph, right, we might want to put it in the test paper itself, but in the test paper we usually do not include the plots. So just click on clear plots and it will disappear, right. And if we want to put it in the question paper, right, for students to plot graph given certain data points, you just have to click on clear illustrations and everything will disappear. So you just have to select this entire table and copy and paste it onto the Microsoft Word document itself, right. And lastly, if you have created too many graphs and you want to delete all of them in your Excel, which most likely you will not need to do, just click on delete all graphs and they will all disappear. And that is how you can use this graph app.